In this video, we're going to use the Dia diagramming tool to create our context diagram. The first thing we wish to do, if you have not done this already, is to select the right set of diagramming elements. To do this, we look for Other Sheets, Gain and Sarsen, and you'll see the familiar diagramming images that you're used to seeing in the material. We'll begin by adding in our system. Now in Dia, there is no word wraparound, so you have to remember to place a return at the end of each line that you want. So this is the registration system. Select the arrow and resize your image so that it becomes readable. We'll now add in our academic department. Once again, resize this so that it is readable and move it into position. The next thing we wish to do is to make sure that we draw a line. We can choose the kind of line that we want drawn from a wide selection. We're going to choose the arrow type. You can choose anything you wish as long as it becomes readable and makes sense. Then we're going to draw a line. This time, in this case, we're going to draw a straight line, starting with our academic department and concluding with the registration system. We're going to add some text, which is the schedule data, to indicate what is flowing on this particular line. We can resize the line as desired to make sure things connect. We can move them around, and we can add other elements. Now, one important thing to remember is that these blue lines tend to indicate the page for your diagram. Therefore, you should keep your diagram at this level within the 1 page restriction. It will make for some challenging drawing, but now you can complete the diagram, realizing you can use an assortment of different types of lines, zigzags, curves, bezel lines, etc., to allow you to connect from one element to another. And remember to add your textual elements in as well.